Good evening, goeienaand, Dumelang Bagotsi. So, I've got great news. We've sold two things already. We've sold the point of sales for 1,250 Rand. They're just busy setting it up. I'm going to take you to the guy's shop. He's a total machine. It's Lavelle Ward, the guy there by Quest Gym. And he's not only one of the best personal trainers I've ever seen and one of the most fit guys I've ever seen, but his shop is like on a total next level, and he's got brilliant clothing and brilliant supplements. Everything he does is brilliant. I've got to say, what a machine. But he bought the point of sales system, 1,500 Rand. And then today I've sold the amplifier, only the Wavetail amp, for 4,000 Rand. The guy was so excited to buy it, and he said, "Hey, I hope everything's working because this is going to a function tomorrow." So I told him, "Hey, you let me know." And he did let me know the one channel is not working. There's a few channels, but the one is not working. So we're going to send that through to the technician. But he's so, I thought we're going to have to like send it through tonight or something. But he said, no, we'll sort that out Monday. That thing is going to work tomorrow. It's going to make some money for him. So look at how good this journey has been, even for him now. Now he got an amp for 2,500 Rand below market retail, second hand, which is brilliant. So we making some money, and that's the great thing about business. You're helping people while you're getting helped yourself. So we've got 4,000 Rand now for that, and then another 1,500 Rand, which gives us 5,500 Rand from that one tablet. So our balance currently is 5,500 Rand, and I'm excited. I haven't even been to the technician to give him the projectors and some of the other stuff that still needs to be checked out. So because his name is Bo Bentley, he's a total machine with micro soldering, testing, diagnosing, and he can order anything from everywhere, and it actually gets here. A lot of us, we order things from China, we never see the things, we only pay for it, and we pay for the income, for the import and everything. But I've got to say, he knows what he's doing. He's really brilliant. So thank you, Bo. And then a last thing, thank you to everyone for actually joining me in this journey. Many of you have told me what you're starting with and what's the plan. Some of you, I know, they're starting with phones. You're going through to houses, for properties, for investments, and this is just like creating such momentum for a lot of people. So I'm excited for you guys as well. Thank you, and I'm learning a lot. I mean, this is not my full trade anymore, but a lot of people, they're using social media and WhatsApp status, etc., to really fast track what they're doing and selling people things for people, which they don't even know, because people are contacting them and being like, "Hey, I want you to sell these things for me. Can you help me out?" Then they don't even have to buy it. So, and some people, I get on Messenger, I get a lot of people messaging me saying, "Hey, do I have a job for you?" I don't have a job for you. Like, I don't have cash on me ever. I don't have a job for you. But there is so much opportunity out there. So you can just go out, tell people, "Hey, what's in your house that you're not using? I can sell that for you. I'm going to take 30% commission." People are fine with that. 30%. Might sound a lot to you, but that's just to you. People don't mind paying that because they don't have to speak to all these scammers on Facebook Marketplace. Those of you who have been there, is it available? Yes, it is available. Are you ready to buy it and collect it? So there's ways to make it easier and to cut down to the chase. But yeah, thank you for following, for all the messages, all the calls. I appreciate you guys. You guys are very cool. And then let's get going. So we're on a 5,500 Rand now. I'm gonna start looking already what we can buy with this, and while we sort out the other things, we've got to get to 10K now. So then we're gonna multiply quickly. Let's go. See you guys soon. Keep on keeping on. You do the possible, and God will do the impossible. Come on. See you soon.